Hello traders, we're back with one more setup. The pair is EURCAD this time, and let's check the time first. So I'm going to refresh. Currently it is 6:08 p.m. Wednesday, 22nd of July 2026 in EST. Coming back to the chart, it is 4-hour time frame, and we will enter long at the current price 6070. Okay, so we might go further down, but eventually we'll go up. So our take profit is this EMA around 6128 or whatever. So we're expecting maybe 30 plus 25, 55 pips in this trade. So we'll see how it goes. Expecting 50 plus pips in this trade. Going long, the exit is at the EMA. So I'll come back and record the take profit video when we exit. The TP is dynamic. So I'll come back and record the video when we have booked our profit. Till then, see you again. Alright guys, we're back with our take profit video. So this is the candle which gave us our take profit on 29th of July at this time. So this was the candle. I don't know when did I book my profits. I was sleeping actually. But let's check the date and the time right here. So currently if I refresh, it is 3:57 a.m. Thursday 30th of July 2026 in EST. I have no idea when did I enter the trade. Maybe I entered somewhere here in this sequence. I don't know, maybe here. I have no idea. Okay, go and check the time in the beginning of the video. It's impossible for me to remember everything. So I entered somewhere, and then I told you that our take profit is the EMA line. So we booked profit here while I was sleeping, and we made 40 pips in this trade. I can show you the trade. So this is it. So we entered at 60.70 and we were out at 61.10. So 30 plus 10, 40 pips. Okay. And these trades I also take personally. You can see. Okay. So it's not like I'm just doing a random blah, blah, blah. I take these trades myself. If you want these setups before they actually hit before they hit take profit, if you want these setups, if you want to enter and exit with me, then you can go and join that program which is called Swing Like a Pro. You will find the link below my video, or else just keep watching these videos and do nothing. If you do not help yourself, nobody else will. Help yourself, join the program, then we'll talk inside. Till then, subscribe, like and share. See you again.